Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Squarespace for photography. Squarespace is an excellent choice for photographers seeking a professional online presence. It offers beautifully designed templates that are perfect for showcasing your visual work. You can easily create a stunning website without extensive technical knowledge, ensuring your images look fantastic on any device, from desktops to mobile phones. This user-friendly platform provides all the essential features to build an impactful photography website. Building an engaging portfolio is crucial for photographers. Squarespace allows you to create dedicated gallery and portfolio pages, organizing your work into distinct projects. You can present your images using captivating full-screen slideshows or lightbox displays, enhancing visual impact. Remember to optimize your images by compressing files to under 500 kilobytes and adding descriptive alt text, which improves both loading speed and search engine visibility. Squarespace offers powerful e-commerce capabilities, enabling you to sell your photography directly from your website. You can easily set up an online store for prints, digital downloads, or services, managing orders and payments seamlessly. For client interactions, create password-protected pages to share private galleries for proofing. This allows clients to review and select their favorite images securely, streamlining your workflow and enhancing client experience. To grow your photography business, effective marketing is key. Optimize your Squarespace site for search engines by using relevant keywords in page titles and meta descriptions. Start a blog to share your stories and behind-the-scenes insights, which helps improve search rankings and engages your audience. Additionally, integrate your social media channels and utilize email campaigns to connect with potential clients and promote your latest work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.